Yes guys, so in this video I'll be showing you my trading setup. Now this is what I use on a day-to-day basis, and over the years I've been able to tweak the setup to be able to optimize for the best trading experience. So if we start off with the desk, this is the extra large X-Rocker gaming desk from Argos. Now I needed an extra large desk to be able to host all of these monitors and laptop, and to still have enough space to be able to comfortably function around my desk. Now the really good and neat thing about this desk is the fact that it has this carbon fiber print on top of the desk, which gives it that premium look. Now moving on to the laptop over here, this is the powerhouse. This is what runs the whole trading setup, the two monitors including the laptop itself as well. Now this is the Acer Nitro 5. Now this is a bit on the pricier side, as I got this laptop for around 1.2 or 1.3k, but this is well worth the investment, as it allows me to be able to easily use my trading setup as well as be able to edit videos as well. So it's nice and quick, and it's very powerful as well, so I highly recommend this laptop. Now moving on to the main monitor itself, this is the Razer Raptor, which is 165 Hz. The reason I got such high refresh rate was due to the fact that I use this for gaming as well. So not only is the quality of the monitor very nice for my trading, but I can use it for dual purposes for trading as well. And it has a nice LED base at the bottom, which rests nicely on this desk stand. Now this main monitor is for usually the trading view chart, as you can see, which is where I'll do primary technical analysis on this. Now on the right hand side, this is my Samsung CR50 curved monitor, and I primarily use this for executions on my MP5 terminal, and I've got this in a nice portrait mode, as it allows me to be able to see the trading charts very nice and effectively. And the combination of these three screens together is what I use for my trading, where I've got usually Forex Factory on the left hand side, or my Telegram channel where I'm sending my signals, and then I've got my primary monitor, which is for my technical analysis, and then I've got my MT5 terminal, which is where I do all of my executions. Now moving on to the microphone, which is the very microphone I'm using right now. This is the Pseudostack S800, which I got from Amazon. Now this was one of my early purchases when I first started my YouTube channel, and to be honest, it is a very nice microphone for the price I paid. Now talking about audio, if we shift our attention to my Logitech speakers over here, this came as a 3-piece, which was the side speakers, one on each side, and then the subwoofer, which is placed at the bottom, which is very nice for the bass audio. Now for any of you that are interested, this is the Z407 from Logitech, which is a very neat piece of kit, and I'm also using it for watching YouTube videos. I then also have, again from Amazon, these two light panels, one on each side, which I use for recording YouTube videos, and it's that perfect lighting. Now the neat thing about these lights is that you're able to change the temperature of these lights, so you're able to go deep yellow, and you're able to go bright white as well, and you're also able to turn the brightness up and down as well. Now right next to that you have my nano leaf lights, which I've done in this configuration. These are 9 panels, I believe. These were very expensive and overpriced, although it does look neat and brings the setup together. I wouldn't really recommend these unless you've got some spare money to just burn on these sort of lights over here. But to be honest, they are neat because they're able to change color, they're able to react to sound and to music as well, so they are quite neat to have as a part of the setup. Now shifting our attention to the desk, you can see that this is the extra large mouse mat, which I've got again from Amazon, and this really just brings color onto the desk, as everything is quite black, as you can see. It's quite monotone, and so having something pop and vibrant really brings the setup together. Now on the desk you have this palm rest, which again I got from Amazon. It's this nice cloud shaped foamy feeling palm rest, which again is nice and neat. And again, I love black and white sort of colors, which goes nicely with my desk setup. And then right next to that, you have my Logitech 905 gaming mechanical keyboard. Now this is again a bit on the expensive side. I think this is probably one of the most expensive keyboards there, but again I really like the look of it. I really like the premium feel of this keyboard as well, and it's definitely something that I would highly recommend. Now right next to it you've got this, again, gaming mouse, which is, I believe, the G502 Lightspeed Logitech mouse. Now the main reason I got this mouse was because of the looks and that nice ergonomic feel to it. And right next to it, again, this is a wrist rest as well for the mouse, which I can hold nice and comfortably, and it glides with the mouse nice and neatly on this mouse mat right over here. Now if you guys want to see this trading setup in action, click here to watch a day in my life as a forex trader.